Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have 3 boxes of football cards. We are only going to be opening up one box. So, without further ado, let's get into this. But before I open this is called Score. So, I will probably get an autographed and a numbered. So, yeah, it's a rookie numbered. They were 6 packs, 22 cards a pack. So let's open this up and get this going. We got pack number 1. Okay, is now opened. Okay, these are really cool cards, guys. So we got a Dak. Oops, sorry. We got a Dak Prescott, Dalton Kincaid, Cortland Sutton, I'm not sure who that. Wesley Watts, Sterling Shepard, Jake Elliott, Joe Thomas. We got George Kittle, Bradley Chubb, Flipper Anderson, Mike Williams, George Karlaftis, and here comes the rookie cards. We got Malik Neighbors rookie card. He will become worth something someday, so I will should grab a sleeve for that one. I don't know how good he might turn out to be. Okay, so there he is. We got Brendan Rice, Chop Robinson, Michael Pratt, Tyler Gooten. I think we got a numbered Javon Baker, Julius Peppers. Okay. Jordan Love. And we got league leaders. And for our numbered card, we got Michael Vick out of 99. It's a very good one. Let me grab a sleeve for that. So, very big one there. I'm pretty sure that's huge. 99. One of my best. Very cool card. It's got a nice little ting to it. So our good cards will go over here. And you can kind of see. We do have Malik Neighbors. I'll keep track of the good rookies. Okay. Nothing going. We have that pretty cool pack out there. Time for pack number 2. Okay, if you guys are enjoying this so far, hit that like button. I'd appreciate it very much. And I'm probably assuming that's our number. Micah Parsons, Jair Alexander. Oop, dropped him. I think that's a worthless card, but trying to complete the set here. We got 3 boxes. T. Higgins, not a bad wide receiver. Younghoe Koo. And we got my boy George Pickens. Like him a lot, like that celebration looks like. I'm not sure who they're playing there. We got Deion Sanders. Not a bad. Ray Lewis. Again, not bad. Sean Alexander. Dalton Schultz. Jordan Addison. Tony Bosley. Aaron Jones. Okay, here come the rookie cards. Emily Baylor. Devontae Watkins. Gabriel Murphy. We got another Steeler, Troy Fintantanu. Sadly, I believe he is out for the year. Braylon Allen, pretty good running back for the Jets. Cameron Kinchens. We got league leaders, Tua Tagovailoa. Potential Chop Robinson. Pretty cool card there. Montez Sweat. Sack Attack. Jared Goff there. And Bo Nix. So not a bad pack. And we got this cool reporter card that's going to go in the trash. Okay, so no sleeves, and Michael Vick just fell again. There we go. Okay. Here he is again. Very cool card. As we are on to our 3rd pack. Still looking for that auto. Okay, we got DJ Moore. Rondale Moore. 22 Moores in a row. Boomer Eugene, I'm not sure. Gus Edwards. Nick Bosa. CJ Mosley. Deron Payne. Cade Otton. Chris Jones. Reggie Wayne. Dreech Wise Jr. Charles Woodson. Rookie cards coming up. We got Joe Alt. Jonathan Brooks. I think he should be returning soon-ish. Michael Penix. Don't know why the Falcons drafted him. We got Jalen McMillan. Keon Coleman. Cam Jordan. Rome Odunze potential. And we got a Justin Jefferson celebration. Drake May rookie card. And we got a CJ Stroud Selly. Okay. Again, okay, pack, nothing good. Haven't gotten an outstanding rookie yet. We are on to our fourth pack. We are over halfway done in this video. Let's get into it. So, we still got 2 more boxes to do, but not in this video, sadly. As I know, very sad news. I'm assuming that the auto will be last, because I went from left to right. But anyways, we got Andre Rison, CeeDee Lamb, we got Stephon Diggs, Josie Jewell, Jamal Williams, Darius Slayton, Darius Slay Jr. Jr. Jerry Rice, Christian Watson, Tua Tagovailoa, Eric Dickerson, Jane Stenrud. Not completely sure. We got rookie cards. Cade Stover, Quinion Mitchell, Cooper DeJean, Marshad Lloyd, Andrew Phillips, Tony Bossoli, offensive tackle for the Jaguars, a Joey Bosa sack attack card, first ballot Randy Moss. I have a numbered card of him out of 99. Ooh. Celebration George Kittle. And the best card of the pack, League Leaders, TJ Watt. Like that card a lot. Okay, nothing going on. Really, pack number 4. Okay. We got pack 5. We got 2 real big hitters so far. Looking for a better one, hopefully. Isaiah Likely, Deron Bland, Jim Kelly, Trey Hendrickson, Darren Waller, Antonio Gibson, Chris Godwin, Bobby Wagner, Howie Long, John Mechie III, TJ Hawkinson. He should be returning soon, I would say. Mark Brunell. And for the rookie cards, we got Mason Smith, Xavier Worthy, Jermaine Burton, pretty good at Alabama, Braylon Trice, a lot of Washington rookies out here, Frank George Jr., Roshan Johnson, potential Dallas Turner, pretty cool card. We got Baker Mayfield, Sully, Bo Nix. That's a duplicate, maybe. And potential Trey Benson. That's it. Wow. Okay. Last pack. And the auto is in here. So I'm very excited to see who we get for our auto. Let's find out who it is. Cole Kmet. Kyler Murray. Chad Johnson. Aaron Rodgers. He's playing pretty good. Amani Hooker. Fred Warner. Seth Jr. Christian Bayuk. Anthony Richardson. Pretty much a rookie, and he got hurt against my Steelers. Trevor Lawrence. Demario Douglas. Ooh, this cool green rookie CJ Latham. Trey Benson. Jared Verse. Johnny Wilson. Ray Davis. Malachi Corey. Dallas Turner. Rookie card. CeeDee Lamb celebration. League leaders Devon Achane and Jordan Whittington. And for some reason, we got George Karlaftis sack attack and no autograph. Okay, so that is box 1, and I hope you guys have liked that video. I only had 2 real good studs. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.